Hello, a warm welcome to Con Decorates today, and of course with heart. And today, once again with heart.
Micha, the cameraman, is excited.
Exactly. Nice weather. We are all outside, and this is our new entrance decoration today. Perhaps an idea for the balcony terrace, or even in the garden. And here we have quite a few things, yes, just some sweet items, a few hanging strawberries, planters, and then we have dill, chamomile, and borage. And yes, we really like it a lot. Basil next to me as well. The scent is endless. And if you dear ones want to know how this fragrant theme works, just stay tuned because we're going to show you now. And here we are standing in front of the entrance, and these are the things that we are going to plant and decorate in front of our entrance today. And I have procured quite a few things for that. Namely, the bases. I found these beautiful strawberry flower planters at our plant dealer. I found them really beautiful and thought they would be wonderful to place in front of the entrance. Then you always have a sweet little welcome. And what I think matches well with it is the elfin mirror. Take a look at this. Now here, when the strawberry blossom blooms and then the elfin mirror, it's a great combination. You can plant them together wonderfully. Here is the elfin mirror again, which I had in the back. I took it out. It is completely white. And then I have basil here. I also think basil goes well with strawberries. Always nice on the plate. It's a great combination, also as a dessert. Or yes, served. Then I have borage. I took borage with me. The plants were no longer nice, and it's a wonderful, beautiful medicinal herb. You can put it in salads. It's also a great cucumber substitute. It's refreshing, spicy, slightly cucumber-like. And even the flowers, when they bloom later, they have a purple hue. You can eat them completely. It's a medicinal plant. It is said to be very calming and also very good. So it's calming and also very good for the heart. That's why I find this fruity sweet herb mixture really great. What else do I have? I have this back here, which I absolutely wanted to have. Of course, this will also go into our garden later. This is chamomile. I also find it absolutely fantastic in terms of the blossom. And it will be included here as well. Then I have a little bit of dill. You can already see, instead of ivy and incense, I just took a few herbs, and I personally love dill. I really like dill a lot. And it will also be planted today. Then I have the boxes again, which I removed today. We had them decorated in front of the door. Then I have a bit of jute fabric from last year. I still have our hay. This is not straw, it's hay. But it looks slightly straw-like. It really has this yellow shimmer. And what else do I have? The pewter vessels that we always have. I found this hanging lamp in the shed. I just took a straw wreath with me. And I think that's it. And here we go. I start with this woven vessel. So we've had it outside for so long, always by the entrance. Then due to the moisture, and there was some planting, it got a bit bent, but I don't mind that at all. I said it won't be thrown away, it will be redecorated, and this crookedness here with the crates has a really great charm. And I think I will definitely put some clay pebbles in here and plant my first strawberry hanging basket.
We watch the sun go down over.
Filled with soil, and as is often done, in the fields here, a bit of straw is placed underneath so that the strawberries don't lie directly on the soil and stay nice and clean. And that's what we're going to do here as well. We always create a little, farmyard character here. And now we're putting our hay on top as protection.
The same old town, like so many times before.
And our hanging container, our hanging basket, it also gets clay pebbles, a bit of soil, and now a beautiful strawberry plant goes in here as well.
For we look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before.
We have 2 strawberry plants in the baskets, and I now have another small third basket here, and I would like to put the 3 barrage plants in there. Here too I have Bleton in it again. Then really nice fresh soil goes on top, and definitely the barrage. And then I take these 3 out now, and they go in here. As already mentioned, Sophie eats strawberries. She loves strawberries. She's already looking, but for now that's enough. Now the barrage goes in here first, nicely filled with soil, and then it's done.
And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all.
And the basil is smelling more and more, especially now with the blooming. Oh, it's amazing. It smells so wonderful. And I have this zinc bucket here. Feel free to check the video description below. We still have them at Roof Elsa's. They sold out super quickly back then. We've had them for, I believe, 2 years now, and I've kept reordering them because they are really great, as you can combine them with everything, whether with or without handles. It's truly a great vintage and a very natural decorative element. And the basil, I would like to add it here again, and I'll also fill it up nicely with soil.
All that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night.
The beautiful elf mirror, absolutely bee and butterfly friendly, and everything that flies and hums. Really great. And just to say, I find the bloom absolutely fantastic. These 2 plants are now going into this zinc container. Is there another metal pot here? This one is a bit wider at the top or has a larger diameter. And the chamomile plants, I would like to put them in here now. I also have Bleton in here now. Normally, we always have holes with the cordless drill, so we can just drill them in quickly. But here at the entrance, it's always nice to have some drainage. And I think I can fit about 3 chamomile plants in here for now.
For the last time, stay.
And the dill is also going into a zinc container here. I think it's really important now that it's planted here because it doesn't look so nice anymore in the small pot. And it also has wonderful space here now. 2 plants are going in here, and it smells endlessly. I still have a strawberry plant left. I still have elf's mirror, a bit of chamomile, and some dill. Now let's just take a look. And I'd like to plant this box. I'm using the hemp fabric again here. I had it in the last entrance decoration as well, and I'm just placing it in the box here. Great filling material, but also great for planting. Our Hollywood swing, which is planted by the garden pond, is really great. It's truly a superb base. So this goes in here now, and now a bit of Bleton goes in again. I still have some left. It goes in completely, just like soil. Then the beautiful strawberry hanging basket, really great. It already has really nice long runners. Can you see that, Micha? Yes, really great. Very beautiful plants. I'm really happy that I got them, and now I'm going to plant them a bit to the side here. And here, the white elf mirror or the white bloom, completely without yellow. I think this is once again, look here, how beautiful it is up here. A really great filler. I'm just going to move the leaves a bit to the side here. I put the entire elf mirror in here, and to ensure it gets plenty of sun and air, I'm going to take a bamboo stick I just got and use it here with the strawberry plant. I'm going to carefully fix it here with jute twine. Of course, a nice clean base again. We'll use some hay again, and now we get that really nice rustic character. The strawberries can fall on it wonderfully. We still have a small box, and I think because we now have 3 plants left, exactly, 2 dill and 1 chamomile. And I've just placed the rest of the hemp fabric in here, a bit of soil as a base, and the 3 herbs go in here. I've simply pressed the herbs into a corner here, because there wasn't much hemp fabric left. Here, I'll just put the hay in again. And I also found this old basket in the shed. I think it fits quite nicely here now. You can use it for a small harvest, like strawberries and other things. And I'll just place it here. And a bit of hay here as well. Here I even found a bit of moss. I'll just place it right here in between. Wonderful. And then the herbs can also thrive wonderfully here. A bit of bark in front of my feet from the last decoration. That will also just go in here. And we're already done. We can start decorating here because all the plants are in, all the herbs, everything we have. And the first box, which I just finished with the branch, I'll actually leave right here on the right. At the front door, I have a small wine crate, but these are also decorative crates. I always call them wine crates because they are often too small. I've placed it on the lower step, and I think the dill fits wonderfully in between here. The crate up there is really nice and sturdy, and I would just place the white elf's mirror in front of it. That means we've already finished the right side, but it's well filled here, right? The entrance.
Yes.
It's already very bulky, but it doesn't matter. We like it very, very much. We'll leave it as it is. I have this crate back here, and I'd like to place it in the corner for now. This basket, I've placed it against the wall here in the front, and it's super stable and holds really, really well. And we have this herb mix here. I'd like to just place it here as well. So, and then here, wonderful basil and borage, really aromatic. And now we've really integrated everything nicely here. We could move it a bit closer to the wall to make some space. The little decorative doll from the basement, it comes here now and really completes the picture, I think. It fits our little strawberry lily, just belongs there. And I also found this board. I think it fits quite well with the rustic elements at the back. It's like a small herb cutting board. And we can also place the little hay wreath there. And we're done here in front of our door. Exactly. Here we have the first strawberries ready to harvest with the basket. I just added a few small red daisies here to give it a bit more color. But it smells wonderful. The plants are beautiful. And yes, we are always delighted to be greeted by a lovely scent when we come home. Dear ones, and of course we really hope that we could inspire you a little today, and we would be very happy if you gave us a thumbs up. We are now back to spending time for and with you in the garden. Summer is coming, the sun is shining, and we just want to say, stay healthy. Feel warmly hugged, your Conny and...
Your Micha, your cameraman.
Exactly. You can find decorative items here on our website, below. There you have the link, and feel free to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram as well. Okay, see you then, dear ones. Goodbye.